Hello, this is the Ceiling Fan World, and what we have here is an Encon Premiere Supreme, which we're doing a remake, and it's been a long time since I haven't recorded it, but thought I'd look at see the blade brackets and everything. Yeah, so let's start with the low speed. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Yeah, it's been a long while since we've demonstrated it, but since we came back, thought we start with this fan. I know it can be very noisy though with the bearings. Let's go for medium. Yeah, wobbles on medium, which is what I hate about this ceiling box, because when I first installed it, if I either tightened it, I don't know if I tightened it or something. So yeah, let's go for high. Yeah, it does blow a amount of air on the ceiling to the floor. I'm going to do a quick zoom in. Alright. So let's turn it off. Now we're gonna watch the spin down let's get started with the spin down, as you can see here. I can't tell the RPMs because on high it's a lot faster. Medium is the second fastest, and low is half medium, half low. So that's it for the video. We have lots more to come, and so if you click subscribe to my YouTube channel, click like or subscribe, and there's lots more to come. And I hope you all have a good day. Bye bye.